Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Katamasa kebeningkong hadian ke jingkang dam kan long hakasing sajan kat lai terik rempang hamadan urkalir ban penlong dekat tim Madness pada kini katamasa lai keteng kumka Madness hip hop event. Hakani katamasa mana sebentar dakakong Nurin Dunai kapla job tengnya kana Mrs. Shillong arja kat kendai but Mrs. Seven Sisters arja arpo. Lemru bat kadapalai warjeri kabalong kawini kinong syar bak Pokemon. Shushu ka Andrea Tarang kabalong kawini kipuran haka film Bollywood ay kerteng Pink, Leo Boys bat Arif Mokim. Nalor kitay kendan ru sa kinong rai rap kata masa peniriam kentobru ikijan kina penwandol dakas rumiling dol. Kendan ru kinjirwan kinong ruai bat kenhun kibana kini kejelahi.
Buat tiba tak yawan nak ni kenti buat nak kapur ke long sebakem ni pentit biru isu setenak yang jenjang sur Mesir bujung fi opini dalam mentah akan ni kesini begini press conference sampai dia buat ni event dengan ni ada saya kesini kan dia duk event kan kalau ni it's a pre-Valentine's celebration ni tambah Valentine's Day kalau sudah tangkap occasion ni dari apang ni begini jenjang temu ni begini lihat yang event ni kalau begini kuat promote ya ki kena jom nomor haka kenhun kidan ki kenhun ki bastanat ka sports kidan ki kenhun ki ba stanat dari kamruai kamput kamtem kamsel pi ba haka ni job pementai ki bun ki kasi ni bet mahal kani kadai kamba ka shlong ba kim dan pada ki ba kersa ni ki miok pada kata kerensan te kani hi ka bini form ni ka Madness tu kadai bini kuat promote ni ki kena kasi le jom di kena aku brief kena bagi sedang ini ke Madness di tim di kena berang kena sedang di adapt event management ada pula event management ni sebar di kidan langut ni kiri berat teri sebar di hadirin jang tu COVID-19 hadirin ke lockdown ni ki awan pahan seselong di ki ya kendu yang sebenarnya macam mana sebenarnya macam kendu yang basam ni ngimdang kam show ni ngidang kam rak ban ngikuat employment semua ti kiwan oi ngai ki ong ba
dan idea
lengi ni nak kliki qualification ni tak ada yang ada dia pass ki event management nak pindah ki event management course ni ste ti ngi la ada ban tray ru ste ngi dan experience itu kasulong pada ba kani ka COVID-19 ni awan phan obyang si jelala jom tengah klipi pinang ni menteri di kuikam yang em ni selong comfortable bed pengin yo ani ka lain okay dan ka lab dengan yang lihat te mau if form some event management ingin promote pada yaki kena kasih job nomor ngar masih pet ba apa YouTube kibun ba ki kena kasih sini berat bet ba berat dan 1 million likes tentang isu itang YouTube ni pada yaki in their life kan te kata hi di konsep dengan awan dengan Madness kan
kumba ong ba sam la ya rap shine ni namanta kani ka Madness bengi form and it's more senior mentah promote local artists hi jong Shillong because ni tip apa Shillong when it comes to music ki dan ki
there's very less platform
tapi ki dream shisha and ki dream do kata but now it's mostly kila la ban compete with international artists but an international quality and they can also sell to national market no but then they don't have a platform we came up with this concept and idea to give them a platform and then kumla shai ngan shi tu kan dia shpang on the poster kini kita orang ban wan kini ki bala dreams dah they're very good in their skill and in their field. Come Majid and then Leo Boys kini one of the best rappers in Shillong and they are releasing the album today and Andrea Taryang she has already been in films and in Bollywood. There come Shane is with us. Shane wrote in Sakrenhi, he'll say a few words and then Noreen Dunai. She is Mrs. Shillong 2019 and then kali Mrs. Seven Sisters 2020. There come Venom I think so done by Jong Rikasi channel and all I guess they have associated the Juruangan Tom the Dapali Wajri brought the first Zumba to Shillong they kini borok kini they are very good in their field even one shy and then support and ke platform and mau kita bawa please support us and support ikiniru ki talents ki benwan shama they really need your love and support and claim of visa tekan mlahi partner with Basam So every Valentine's Day, the Madness will be there. But apart from that, we'll also be doing a lot of other events.
Yeah, a lot of other events.
A lot of other events will be in town. So Shillong, get ready.
Shillong, get ready. We're coming.
Sa kaway nga si Ima, lang ba takadan ng si takadan i program ni so crazy about 7. They spend a lot kan and then 7. Kang tu ki artist kan long okay with due respect to all artists kita nak tu ki juna ki kasih jungi am. Kita ki beri dengan ni kita include ki apa aja tu kita check ki venue berjangan kanili ki venue long ba Port Shillong. It's at the heart of Shillong City.
Heart of Shillong.
Sa venue gede Port Sam Khamti parking lot hadian jong katu crazy ni bina service station ke entry gede bina Port Sam Khamti ke parking ring nak pentriak nak elek lang bagi sang national nomor song ke parking kan dia tu Port Maran nom kalian iban maneuver ya ka traffic ang turu kindan lagi sang national bagi traffic department ni te ngasus mau tengah actually am ngamundekan ba long into music edu kata-kata atrai PE yang am sibsang long very involved ba tu Guarantee Football Club te de hapo hatu ka premises jungi dan ka office jong Guarantee Football Club antaru te sponsorship lu nakaliang sampang pilih kalau ai ba Guarantee Football Club lu nomor ba kiru kiwan sanga da katahi ka motif bikin promote ki footballers jong ka state le jong kan bun ki nak kasi yang tu te kiwan kini kiwan do the same concept ki ong bengi kwa kon promote ki artist na state le jong te ngala interview hi baru khat mo share ngala clip baru khat i perform ni di kena kasi le jong ni takadaw ngala irap ki mar hakto ko jaka di secretary ng mga irap iki nakaliang ki NOC ngala penggay iki kuno bikin let sa honorable deputy commissioner siya ki police department, watch pa excise department na extract ito one day by license makin ubot ito ka ba te ngasno ba nalor ka jingrap nakibreak bilang ko mangingi dan kamera ko support nakipaiba bikin mi kerja ni kana kasi juni kay marubuni gidi badan kasak tamaban pini music album sini kita dan kam jingnut besar kay mo te ngasno ba kani ka platform te ngasno man ang hiru bengi kwa convert ikini sa kata Shillong version
of NH7. That's the concept. We cannot disclose how much we're paying out, but obviously they're getting something. They're not just gonna come for free. But the most important thing, and kini artists they're not just for the money, because I know they really love what they do and they're good at what they're doing. That's why we give them the platform. And
of course, the people, they are very good people, professionals. So of course, when you call professionals, we have to pay them.
Obviously,
disclose how much. Yes, everybody is getting paid. That's how it works. I mean, everybody, come on.
COVID time and kani kapor bakalog nito, but we cannot wait for COVID. But we are mismo to bakari kapor COVID. That's why protocols, everything can done. Hatu kasni we will have sanitizers, we will have securities. Tingin sa done ka distancing obviously and mask they have to wear obviously. But the COVID we are not neglecting. We know, but it's still there, and that's why we're not neglecting. But then still, we will go forward with the show anyhow, because we have the permission and everything. But then we are keeping in mind of COVID as well. Don't worry, we already have precautions for that. You can come freely, and you'll all have a good time. We'll give you guys a show.
Very humble about everything. Dia dong chill ha, dia dong bagi kuat, dia bikin perform tam ni. Akan ko sih ni lah, ni lah akan do, ngalak akan do. Kita kipalok dengan do dang kena i borak dengan. It's very kidi kena by try shoot tam ha. They go to the set, they go to the venue every day. Mantas ni kili sa venue, kili check, kili nakasnong kishim nakajingbet. Parang kilong take care lang tong nakasystem there. That's how you know they're very good at what they do there. I expect bon bhana kanika show there because it's the first Shillong. Shillong is the first show after COVID. Tharai kibrio. Actually, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. The one san mood, the one san hajar mood ubri ruam. You did your part, and it's gonna be ni nakaliang ng artist ni nabi 100%. Don't worry. Te nga ko friend get pang yung adero di usir na song siya nga sa Shillong Shillong Kra nado ngala release first single nga used to be but Standard Beats and ngarang free rugo nado arajar artho and ngarang sang penmi kijwai R&B is not sa R&B release ka single o ka EP jonga short album. It's an extended play. South League is release lasay kasni ha all streaming platforms ha internet but hajo ko poro nga debut ya ka EP jonga ha ka show ni siya lasay te so ha ki pada ki borok ki barang epek mah mentah pingala man support ini borok one and you'll have a good time kadang pun ba kadang there's a lot of things going on there, it's not just music, it's so many activities in one film entertained 100%. The venue is spot on. It's such a
They
vibe.
bought some comfy parking lot. Kadiga first walk in wine shop plus petrol pump and kemudian om kejat ba kum kat tiket hang ning thak kat Sun Spa 1500 tang ba mah bon bekila Bon, and that's not true, but bon, pengi klem don jingerap na we did not get any funds, any sponsors, and also nilai na ladehi, and ban naka jingerap jumba sam borok te takadaw ni charge kat tu mga tiket day wala kum tar ni ko borok bikin wan ki pai ba hapo Shillong ban support ingi te ngila le kat bala bagi reduce no sha hajar tingka to 1000. There I know and I know Shillong jangi borok ki start high music. Jingput jingtem jingwai borok kita, and it's the first event after COVID-19. They release ke stress finally and borok nak let through legal. They basam na Arab hai ni tengi kuat bagi beliau apa diberi kenyarap bagi support mendai tang yangi especially kini ki artist hang ni badan pop poster bagi don kam shisha kita jingarap na visa. They can go international and it's only the support na visa. Shillong can become like that.
Yeah.